These soy sauce chow mein noodles, guaranteed to be a crowd favorite. Start by cooking some egg noodles or stir-fry noodles to the package instructions, drain and set aside. Next, separate the whites from the green parts of the scallion and set them aside. Slice a yellow or white onion and set that aside as well. Afterwards, you're going to prepare the sauce mixture. So for that, you're going to need dark soy sauce, regular soy sauce, some water, mirin, and sugar. Mix that well and then set aside. I added some bok choy to the chow mein as well. Be sure to wash it really well. It carries a lot of dust and debris. This dish does require a lot of oil, so bear with me. First, you're going to char your onions and your scallion whites. Then you're going to add more oil and cook your carrots, your bok choy, and then the green parts of the scallion, and then set all of those aside. Then you're going to add more oil and you're going to char your noodles. You need them to have that pan-seared, crispy edge kind of deal. Then you're going to add your sauce, add some garlic, mix well, and then you're going to top it with some sesame oil. And I promise you, it's a lot of oil, but it's really, really good.
Oh, wow. Oh. No, I did that.